Hey there, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of this package from MJJC. Fresh in yesterday. So, MJJC foam. Don't you hate it, an unboxing video when it takes ages to get the package out? Yeah, me too. And then, the new Foam Cannon S version 3. So this is an absolute beast. Well, it looks like a beast, I haven't tried it yet because it's still in the box. Sturdy bit of packaging, that's for sure. It's definitely going to make it around the world. Damn. So, instructions, warranty, there's the cannon. Oh, that's very soft plastic. I imagine that is nice and durable. As I say, I haven't tried it yet. Then we've got the top. We've got the quick release nozzle. And we've got the pipe, the tube, the picker-upper. Awesome. Oh, that's an interesting design. So that goes on with a quarter of a turn. So literally, that's on. That's really impressive. Nice and stable. Let's get the rest of it on. I quite like the colour of this. I know a lot of these foam cannons, they all seem to be made by the same manufacturer, but this one is definitely, or I'm 99% sure it's an MJJC original. That's a spare part. So let's bang this on. Awesome. I like them with the weight. It does help because you might not think it does, but when you're spraying, and if your cannon's on the angle, the weight will obviously go to the lowest point. So it actually does help, and if your foam's running a bit low, that's wicked. Stable, doesn't fall over. A lot of them fall over when you stand them up because they haven't got any weight on the back, all the weight's on the front. So they'll just completely topple over. So yeah, that's cool. And then we've got the, what's this? Contains crude palm oil, snow foam, super slick, refreshing aroma. Snow foam shampoo. So it's not a shampoo. Sorry, it's not a snow foam, it's a shampoo. That looks very similar to another brand, which you may well recognise, but you know, we can't all be original all the time. So that has got a stopper in the top. There's a stopper out. Yeah, coconutty. Awesome. I wonder what the concentration is like on this. 1 to 10. Yeah, pretty standard. But from what I believe, this is made, yeah, it says here. So this product is a special cleanser for foam guns, which is a mild neutral formula to get extremely fine foam and durable foam. So it's specifically for a foam cannon, which a lot of people seem to be doing these days. More and more people seem to be moving to shampooing for a foam cannon because it saves time, and if you've pre-washed the vehicle to a decent standard, then you shouldn't really have to worry about particles on the paint. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see how I get on with that. So I'll let you know how I do. Nice one.